This shot, arm's length away, talking in a nice natural voice. If I take a nice step back and want to do more of a shot and talk in the same voice, how do I sound? When the mic goes in the off position, it'll work. Let me just let you know this. When you separate the vision dock from the camera. Hey, I'm Fish. Welcome to the show. I like talking about camera, and I talk a lot about the camera. Oh yeah, man, I wouldn't pass up this deal. $225, give or take. Without taxes, get a microphone for $25. For $250, you still got an awesome deal on the market. I really can't offer you any color, but this van has been here. It's the color of extra. Just about their logo. I'm going to be running a test with this battery drain. I'm going to run it when it says 75%. I'm going to run it when it says 100%. And I want to make sure the camera depletes, and I want to see exactly how long each test runs. If they equal out, then we could disregard the 75% when we factory reset or have the camera over 4 hours and see that you got a discharge. And it's not the first time I noticed it. I'm using a wireless mic. It's not on. And I forgot to turn it on. So what I'm going to go do is turn it on. And now I don't have a screen that tells me that you won't see the screen while it's on. But I'm able to now have audio. So did you hear the audio switch on over to the camera? As you take note, when I do videos, I do a lot of different things in there of the camera and tests. I have a lot of information. And I don't want to make it a 5-hour video. I try to put everything together and have a good story. Well, I got with me in my pocket, yes indeed, it's the Extra Muse. And here it is. What happened to it? It just came right off of the quick release. Please be very careful with your cameras because it is in my pocket and it's right here. And you want to make sure you don't lose it because it's not connected to anything else. These clips, they don't have any locking mechanism but just those 2 press buttons or press button in the front. Maybe it's in the back. You don't plan that stuff. That stuff happens. And that's all I'm saying. The good, the bad, the ugly. Now, if you're interested in that type of mount, it's a USB-C pass-through that allows you to hook up to the computer and transfer files and charge, just like the port. It's the Yolanzi PK10. Well, there's also another company called K&N Concepts. You find the best price available for you and use one of those. I don't care if you get one that's $7 or $50. The thing is, if it works for you, I'm very pleased and happy for all of us, that is. This is not a day to be out with a gimbal camera, the Muse, and that's why it's in the pocket. It's not raining, but I got raindrops that's just dropping right by here by the tree, and I'm not on the microphone. I am off of it. I need to shut it down. I'm connected to the Muse, which I did a introduction to a test I want to go with. Yeah, I like walking around, and it's you know, one of those days that I'm just gonna grab the camera and go walking, get on over, get on out of here. I can't do color grading because it's gray, nasty, wet again. And it's not snow, which, you know, it's all right. And I tell you, the Atto switches over to low light, does a good job. And yeah, it is what it is, man. So let's get on going. Not much of a highlight of a talk, is it? Yeah, the Extra 8. When I use the Muse, now I use continuous focus, and the camera's there, and I'm here, and my body starts to get within a certain range. I get the camera to hunt, and I don't want that to happen. So I think I need to be off of continuous, not product showcase, because those two may be the same thing. Breathing is when, I guess, it always concentrate on you, and you step away, it'll breathe the scene, and it'll make the background blur like so. So maybe I got to turn breathing off for continuous, or maybe I got to put it on fixed, and that'll stop that focus hunting. And that's what I didn't like about my Sony ZV-1F or Mark II. I would not have this problem for the reasons of when I do my reviews. Well, I gotta go meet up with Joe. I gotta go take care of Bizwax. Oh man, these people got their cement work done just in time. Got a little water on it, which is great to help the cure. And personally, a little too early to cement. Springtime or fall, not when it's extremely cold. Takes longer to cure. That's what I think. Well, I hope you enjoyed the talk, the show, the share, the fun. It's going to be a wet, rainy day. See you on the next one. I'm Fish.